going to demonstrate how to develop a new Mendix web application using Mendix, Mendix. So click on new project. Yeah, choose blank app and use this theme. Select and select sample app, and your project will be my project will be stored in this my local directory, and create an app, and it will take some more times because of based on your internet speed and your RAM speed. It will take some. Actually, initially it will create a project in local as well as the and upload it into the in your login cloud. So it will create as well as local as well as cloud. So it is that is why it is delaying. So it won't take more time. It will take 10 second only, 10 less than 10 second only. It's loaded, and its app is ready now. So I'm just printing hello world. So this is a toolbar. I'm taking a text box and changing into hello world. Yeah, the now app is ready. So I will click on run locally, and once everything is done, and the app view app will be enabled, and this window will be closed. And so after view app enabled, click on view app, and it will redirect to the default browser, and we can see the output in there. Yeah, now the something is running in background. It will once it is ready, and it will show. I think almost ready. So please wait. And it has lot of feature. Mendix. We don't need to code anything. It's a low code platform. It's a less coding also. That is not only required in basic applications. This is a console screen. Yeah. Click on yes. It telling database default does not exist. Shall I create it? Click on yes. Yeah. Database creating now. So yeah, this app is ready now. So click on view applications. Yeah, it is redirecting to the browser, and my port number app is like 8080. It is default. If you want to change it, you can change it accordingly. It is a single page application, so it will be like that only. So it's first one is domain and port number, and the next is syntax.html. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, video is finished now. So we are able to see the output of web application in Java and using Mendix local platform.